Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? Hope everyone is doing well and fine. Now, we are on our fourth week of our lesson, and it's still, we are going to learn about addition. So, to continue, we are going to proceed to the next slide. Alright, we are going to learn about mathematics still, and our lesson is still about addition. Okay? So when we say addition, what symbol do we use? We use the symbol plus. Okay? Alright, so we are going to do problem solving. What do you mean when you say problem solving? Now, last week we've learned about word problems. We tried to understand the situation and we solved the problem together. Now, that's what we are going to do. We are going to understand the problem and we are going to solve the problem together with your help. Okay? Now, we are going to read. Now, this is the problem. Do you know what's this? Who has this one? I remember when I was a boy, I used to fly this one during windy day. Do you have this one at home? What's this? Okay, right. That is a kite. Do you have a kite? Now, we are going to use kite to solve the problem. Alright, let's read together. Jack has 12 kites. How many kites does Jack have? 12. 12 kites. Jack has 12 kites. Now let's count Jack's kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. Jack has 12 kites. What's the boy's name? Great. His name is Jack. And how many kites does he have? Very good. He has 12 kites. Next, let's proceed. Jack's kites. How many again? 12. Okay. Fred. His friend Fred has 4 more kites than Jack. So Fred has already he has already 12 kites plus he has 4 more. Okay? Now we are going to count Fred's kites. So he has 12 plus 4 more. Fred's kites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, to understand the situation, Fred has the same kite as Jack, but he has 4 more kites than Jack. So we are going to add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So Fred has 12 kites plus 4 more kites. Okay? Now this is the number sentence. Fred's kites. Fred's kites. 12 plus 4. Okay? So 12 plus 4. Can you guess the answer? How many kites does Fred have? The question is Fred. Fred. How many kites does Fred have? So Fred has 12 kites plus 4 more kites. So this is the number sentence. We have 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 is equals 16. So Fred has how many kites altogether? Fred has 16 kites. Fred has 16 kites altogether. So Jack has 12 kites again, but Fred has 4 more kites than Jack. So Fred has already 12, and we are going to add another 4 kites because of the word more. Okay? Remember the word more. So who has more kites? Is it Jack or Fred? Very good. So Fred has more kites than Jack. Okay? Now let's proceed to the second example. Now, everyone, it's still an exercise for you to do. It's still problem solving. And this problem solving, you can find this on your books on page 13. Okay? Now, we are going to find the answer. First thing is Tong Chai. Tong Chai is a name of a boy. So, his name is Tong Chai. Tong Chai has 8 toy cars. How many toy cars does Tong Chai have? 8. Very good. Remember, Tong Chai has 8 toy cars. I'm going to ask you a question. How many toys or how many toy cars does Tong Chai have? He has 8 toy cars. Now we are going to count 8. Okay, this is Tong Chai's cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tong Chai has 8 toy cars. Okay, let's proceed to the next one. He has a friend. Tong Chai has a friend, and his name is Warut. Warut. Okay, so Tong Chai's cars again. Tong Chai's toy cars. 8. Now let's proceed. Warut has 6 more toy cars than Tong Chai. Again, look at the word more. More. Warut has 6 more toy cars than Tong Chai. So Warut has already have 8 toy cars plus 6. Now we are going to count Warut's toy cars. Look at the slide. Warut has 8. Now we are going to count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is Warut toy cars plus Warut has 6 more toy cars. More. So we are going to count more. 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So we are going to count Warut's toy cars. Warut's toy cars, how many? 8. He's got 8 plus how many more? 6 more. So we are going to add 8 and 6. Now show me your finger. We are going to count Warut's toy cars all together. 8 plus 6. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So Warut has how many toy cars altogether? How many toy cars does Warut have? He's got 14 toy cars. Very good. So the answer is Warut has 14 toy cars. Again, Tong Chai's cars. Tong Chai toy cars. He's got 8. But Warut has 8 or 6 more. 6 more. So 8 plus 6 is equals 14. So Warut has more toy cars than Tong Chai. Okay? Now, we're going to proceed to the next slide. Alright? Now, this is your exercise or activity letter B. Now, we are going to understand the situation. There are four girls in the bus. Again, there are four girls in the bus. How many girls are in the bus? Now, this is the bus, right? How many girls are on the bus? There are four. So let's count four girls. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are four girls on the bus. So girls on the bus, how many? There are four. There are four girls on the bus. Next, there are 7 more boys than girls on the bus. That means that in the bus, there are already 4 boys plus 7 more. So, we are going to count the boys on the bus. This is the bus. Now, there are already 4 boys on the bus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Same with girls, there are 4, but there are 7 more. So we are going to add 7 more boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 7. Can you count how many boys are there on the bus? So boys on the bus, there are 4 plus 7 more. Now let's try to answer the question. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what's the answer? How many boys are there on the bus? 4 plus 7 equals 11. So there are 11 boys on the bus. So the bus is carrying 11 boys and 4 girls. So we are going to answer the question, how many boys are on the bus? There are 11 boys on the bus. Do you understand this question? Very good. So this is still addition. But in this situation, we are trying to understand the problem. Again, 4 girls. There are 4 girls on the bus. And there are 4 boys on the bus plus 7 more. So 4 plus 7 is equals 11. So there are 11 boys on the bus. Good job. So there are the number of boys on the bus are much bigger than the number of the girls on the bus. Now we are going to answer these following questions on the next slide. Now we are going to learn how to add numbers. What I want you to do is I want you to prepare a piece of paper and your pencil, and we are going to answer these problems. Let's proceed. Mathematics, and the topic is still about addition. Now this problem, you can find this problem in your book, in mathematics book, on page 14. Alright, so exercise, we are going to practice adding the numbers or these numbers. So first set is we have 10 questions. So first question is we have 4 plus 3. Can you write it down on a piece of paper? 4 plus 3. Next, 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. Let's proceed. Number 3. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. Next one. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2. Finish? Good job. Number 5. We have 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. Did you write it down? Very good. Let's proceed to number 6. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3. Number 7. We have 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. Number 8. We have 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7. Number 9. 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5. You ready for the last one? Number 10. We have 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. So everyone, you have to write everything down from numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and write the equation for number 1, which is 4 plus 3 equals. Number 2, we have 5 plus 2 equals. Number 3, we have 4 plus 4 equals. Number 4 is 6 plus 2 equals. Number 5, we have 5 plus 3 equals 6. We have 3 plus 3 equals. Number 7, we have 6 plus 5 equals. Number 8, we have 4 plus 7 equals. Number 9, 5 plus 5 equals. And number 10, we have 7 plus 6 equals. Now I'm going to give you a couple of minutes for you to count and answer these equations. Now, what operation are we using? Can you answer? Yes, we are using addition. Repeat after me. Addition. Now the first word is add. Add. So when we say add, we use the plus symbol. Plus, 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 plus. So we are going to add these numbers. Are you finished? Now, if you're having a hard time counting the difficult or bigger numbers, try to ask help from your parents. Okay? I'll give you another 10 seconds to answer. Ready, kids? All right. Teacher is going to count from 10 to 1, and we are going to answer these problems one by one. All right? Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right. Now let's start with number 1. Number 1 is 4 plus 3. On your left hand, try to count 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the other side of your hand, count 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. Now join 4 and 3 all together. Now we are going to count how many fingers do you have in front of you. 4 and 3. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what's the answer? 4 plus 3 is equals 7. Did you get it right? Good job, kids. Let's proceed to number 2. We have 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. What I want you to do is count 5. Using your fingers again, count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then on the other side of your hand, count 2 fingers. 1, 2. So you've got 5 and 2 in front of you. Now we are going to count or add the numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 is equals 7. Very good. Great job. Let's proceed to number 3. We have 4 plus 4. Now kids, count 4 on your left hand, 4 fingers on your left hand. On your right hand, count another 4 fingers. So 4 and 4. Now we are going to count or add these numbers together. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4 plus 4 is equals 8. Good job. Now we have 6 plus 2. Now which one is the bigger number? The bigger number is 6, right? So re remember number 6. 6 is the bigger number. Now put it in your mind, put it in your head. Try to remember number 6 and plus 2 on your fingers. So 6 on your mind, 2 on your fingers. So 6 plus 2 is equals 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 is equals 8. Good job. Did you get the right answer? Very good. Next, we have 5 plus 3 is equals 8 too. Now, 3 plus 3. 3 on the other side of your hand and 3 on the other side. 3 and 3, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. Good job. Number 7. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. In number 6 and 5, which number is bigger? Very good. 6 is bigger. So try to remember number 6. Put number 6 in your mind, in your head. And then number 5. Count number 5 in your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in your fingers. So 6 and 5. 6 in your mind, 5 in your fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 6 plus 5 is equals? Yay! Is equals 11. Very good. Let's proceed to number 8. Number 8, we have 4 plus 7. So 4 plus 7, which number is bigger? Which number is bigger? Very good. Number 7 is big. So we are going to put 7 in our head and 4 on our fingers. 7 in our head, 4 on our fingers. So 7 and 4 is, let's count, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 7 plus 4 or 4 plus 7 is equals 11. Very good. Now, number 9, we have 5 plus 5. Now, what I want you to do is count 5 on your left hand, 5 fingers, and on your right hand, add another 5 fingers. So 5 fingers plus 5 fingers, count all together. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 5 plus 5 is equals 10. Great job. All right, number 10. Number 10, we have 7 plus 6. 7 plus 6. In number 7 and number 6, which number is bigger? Which number is bigger? Alright, number 7 is bigger. So we are going to put number 7 in our head. We are going to remember number 7. Put it in your mind and then count 6 on your fingers. 7 in your head, 6 on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on your fingers. Let's start. 7 and 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 7 plus 6 is equals 13. Who got 100%? Very good. Who got 9? Great job. Who got 8? Well, very good. Who got 7? Great job. Okay, now if you're having a hard time understanding on how to add numbers, then try to ask mom and dad for help. Mom, how do you answer this? How do you add these numbers? Okay, and it will be very easy for you. Okay, again, let's read the equation. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 plus 5 equals 11. 4 plus 7 equals 11. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 7 plus 6 equals 13. Great job. So this is exercise A. Let's proceed to the next slide, which is your exercise B. Okay, kids, it's still mathematics and we are learning addition still. Now this is your exercise. Practice adding numbers. Exercise B. Okay, now we've got 10 questions in this slide still the same as on the exercise A. Now on B we have 10 as well, so let's start with number 1. We have 8 plus 4 equals, oh, don't forget to write the numbers down on the piece of paper that you have on your in front of you. We have 8 plus 4, number 1. Number 2, 9 plus 5 equals, number 3, we have 7 plus 7 equals, number 4, we have 6 plus 8, number 5, we have 5 plus 7, number 6, we have 8 plus 8, number 7, we have 9 plus 4, number 8, we have 9 plus 9, number 9, we have 8 plus 5 equals. And the last number in exercise B is we have 7 plus 8. Now, don't forget the technique that I shared to you. If you see a number and if you don't know how to add a bigger number, don't forget always, number 1, always put the bigger number in your head and then put the smaller numbers on your fingers and then start adding the numbers. Okay? Again, number 1, 8 plus 4 equals. Number 2, we have 9 plus 5 equals. Number 3, we have 7 plus 7 equals. Number 4, we have 6 plus 8 equals. Number 5, we have 5 plus 7 equals. 6, we have 8 plus 8 equals. Number 7, we have 9 plus 4 equals. Number 8, we have 9 plus 9 equals. Number 9, we have 8 plus 5 equals. And number 10, we have 7 plus 8 equals. Alright, so let's start with number 1. Number 1. Kids, we have 8 plus 4. Which number is bigger? Yes, 8 is bigger than 4. So put 8 on your mind. Remember number 8, put it in your head, put it in your mind, and then count 4 on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 in your head, 4 on your fingers. So 8 plus 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 plus 4 is equals 12. Yeah. Did you get the right answer? Good job. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. We have 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5. Which number is bigger, 9 or 5? Of course, very good. 9 is bigger than 5. So put 9 on your hand. Remember number 9. Put it in your mind. And count 5 on your fingers. Count 5 on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 and 5 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Good job. The answer is 14. Next, we have 7 plus 7. It's still the same. The numbers are the same, 7 and 7. So there is no smaller or bigger numbers because 7 and 7 are the same. So put 7 on your head, remember number 7, and count 7 fingers. 7 fingers plus 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7 plus 7 is equals 14. Good job. So we have 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. So which number is bigger? Very good. 8 is bigger than 6. So put number 8, remember number 8, put it in your mind, and count 6 on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 and 6. Let's start. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 6 plus 8 is equals 14. Very good. Next, number 5. We have 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 equals. Which number is bigger? Is it 5 or 7? Very good. 7 is bigger than 5. So put 7 on your mind. Remember number 7. And count 5 on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 and 5. Let's start. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. 5 plus 7 is equals 12. Great job. Number 6, we have 8 plus 8. Now there is no bigger and smaller numbers because we are adding the same numbers, 8 and 8. So you can either choose any. 8, put it in your mind and put 8 on your fingers. 8 on your mind, 8 on your fingers. 8 and 8. Let's start counting. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Very good. 16 is the right answer. Let's proceed to number 7. 7, we have 9 plus 4. Which number is bigger? Is it 9 or 4? Very good. 9 is bigger than 4. So put 9 on your mind, put it in your head, remember number 9, and count 4 on your fingers. 9 and 4. 9. Let's count. 9 and 4 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The answer is 13. Very good. Number 8 is we have 9 plus 9. 9 on your head, 9 on your fingers. Count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on your fingers, and on your mind, you've got 9 already. So let's count. Let's count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Very good. So 9 plus 9 is equals 18. Number 9. We have 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. Which number is bigger, 8 or 5? Good job. 8 is bigger than 5. So put 8 on your mind and count 5 on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 8 plus 5. Let's count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8 plus 5 is equals 13. Very good. So number 10, which is the last number for exercise B. So we have 7 plus 8. In 7 plus 8, which number is bigger? Is it 7 or 8? Very good. 8 is bigger. So put 8 on your mind and count 7 on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 and 7. Let's count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What's the answer? The answer is 15. Great job. So, kids, do you know how to add numbers using your mind and your fingers? When you're adding number and the number is bigger, then you put it on your mind, and then when the number is smaller, you put it on your fingers. You count and add numbers. Now let's proceed to your exercise letter C. Alright everyone, this is your exercise. Adding numbers C. So we have Alright, now let's proceed. It's still addition. So this is the last part of your exercise. Practice adding these numbers. Alright, so we are going to do the same thing. So this is the last part of your test. And this is composed of 10 items. So what we're going to do is we're going to add these numbers. So I'm going to read the question number 1. Number 1 is 16 plus 3 equals 16 plus 3. Now don't forget your pencil and your paper. Kindly write 16 and then you have to write the symbol plus and then write 3 and then equals. And if you're having trouble adding these numbers, try to ask help from your parents again. So number 1 is 16 plus 3. Number 2 is 15 plus 4. 15 plus 4. Now don't forget again, if you're going to add numbers, put the bigger number in your head. Remember? Mind the bigger number, put it in your head, and then smaller number, try to count it using your fingers. And number 3 is 18 plus 1. Now this is very easy. 18 plus 1. Number 4, we have 13 plus 4 equal. 13 plus 4 equals. Number 5, we have 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2. Number 6, we have 13 plus 3. 13 plus 3. Number 7, we have 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5. Next, we have number 8. 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5 equals. Number 9, we have 16 plus 2. 16 plus 2. And the last number is number 10. We have 11 plus 2. 11 plus 2. Alright, now let's proceed with number 1. 16 plus 3. Now which number is bigger? Is it 16 or 3? Now the bigger number is 16. Very good. So 16, put it in your head, put it in your mind, and then number 3, count number 3 using your fingers. Now put number 3 here below on your fingers and then start counting 16. 16 plus 3 is, we have 16 plus 3 is 16, 17, 18, 19. What's the answer? The answer is 19. Very good. Alright, now number 2, we have 15 plus 4. Which number is bigger? 15 is bigger than 4. So mine number 15. And then count number 4 on your finger. Now 15 plus 4 is 15. Next is 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, 19. Now 18 plus 1, which digit is bigger? 18. And then count 1. Add 1. 18 plus 1 is 18. 19. Yes, it's very easy. The answer is 19. Next, number 4, we have 13 plus 4. Now, which digit is bigger? Is it 13 or 4? You're right. 13 is bigger than 4. So 13 on your head, 4 on your fingers. 13 and 4 is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So what's the answer? The answer is 17. Next, number 5, we have 15 plus 2. Which digit is bigger? 15 is bigger than 2. So 15 plus 2, 2 on your fingers, 15 and 2, 15, 16, 17. So what's the answer? The answer is 17. Let's proceed to number 6. 13 plus 3. Now which digit is bigger? Is it 13 or 3? Of course, it should be 13. So 13 on your head and then 3 on your fingers. 13 plus 3 is 13, 14, 15, 16. So what's the answer? The answer is 16. Very good. Good job. What about 12 plus 5? 12 plus 5. 12 on your head and then 5 on your fingers. Okay? Don't forget, 12 on your head, 5 on your fingers. So 12 and 5. So 12 after 12 is what? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. What's the answer? The answer is 17. Did you get the right answer? Let's proceed to number 8. 14 plus 5. 14 and 5. So which digit is bigger? Is it 14 or 5? Okay, the answer is 14. So 14 on your head, 5 on your fingers. So 14 and 5 is what? 14 and then 5. Next to 14 is 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. The answer is 19. Did you get the right answer? If you get the right answer, then that's a good job. Next, let's proceed to number 9. 16 plus 2. 16 plus 2. 16 is bigger than 2. So 16 in your head, 2 on your fingers. 16 and 2. So 16 next to 16 is what? 16, 17, 18. What's the answer? The answer is 18. Well done. And then the last number, we have 11 plus 7. Now, which digit is bigger? Is it 11 or 7? Yes, the answer is 11. So 11 on your head, 7 on your fingers. Count 7 on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 11 on your head and then followed by 12, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the answer is 18. Very good. So we've already done exercises A, B, and C. All right. So if you have time, try to practice more on addition and then try to practice how to add single digit number or two digit numbers. All right. So everyone, see you soon. Hope everyone is doing well today. Have a great day, everyone. See you next time. Keep safe. Bye bye.